subscribe.
Disney Toys here, and today I'm bringing you a Hello Kitty toaster. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, so I'm really excited to make some together. Here's the back of the box. It shows us different Hello Kitty sets we can get. I'm going to be on the search for them all. Let's start by opening the box. I can't wait to get my hands on everything. Ooh, this looks like a box for all of our goodies. It has a tasty looking waffle in the front. Wow, and it has a maze in the back. That'll be fun to play with while you're eating your breakfast. Cool! It even has a barcode on the side. And the Hello Kitty signature logo at the top. Yum! Here's a jar of jam. It looks like strawberry jam. Oh man, unfortunately, there's no jam inside. The cap has a little Hello Kitty bow on it. That's pretty cute. We'll put that aside to use for later. And here's our first breakfast item. This is our waffle. I love how detailed it is. And here's a Pop-Tart. It looks like it's a strawberry Pop-Tart with some sprinkles at the top. Yum! I love Pop-Tarts. Ooh, a spreading knife. This will be perfect for our butter and our jam. And here's our butter. Whoops! That butter's pretty slippery. Here's our 2 slices of butter. It's a little hard to see, but even the butter has a little Hello Kitty imprint. Now let's get our toaster out of here. It's a little stuck. Got it. Ooh, first we have a piece of bread. Again, I just love the detailing. It even has a darker crust. And here's our toaster. It's shaped like Hello Kitty's head. She has her signature red bow on, and her little yellow nose. Let's see how this works. You pull down this lever. Tick, 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 tick. She's about to pop. There she goes. Let's start out our breakfast with some toast. We'll just put it right in here and press down. Nice! Careful, it might be a little hot. Let's do our Pop-Tart next. Any second now. Got it! Yum! And here's our last one, our waffle. We'll just put it right in here and press down. Mmm, nice and crispy. Let's use some of the butter for our toast. We'll just put it right on top and then use our spreading knife. Mmm, I love butter on my toast. How about you guys? I think our waffle needs some jam. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite jam. I'm going to use some of our pink Play-Doh as strawberry jam. We'll just put a little bit right inside. And again, we'll be using our spreading knife. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Mmm, that's looking pretty good. Let me know in the comments what you guys like on your waffles. So this set comes with 3 breakfast items, but I think it's missing one of my favorite breakfast items. So I think let's make our own. Can you guys guess what I'll be making? It's going to involve some of this light brown Play-Doh. If you guessed pancakes, you're right. I just love pancakes. We'll be rolling out some of this light brown Play-Doh. And then we'll use one of our other breakfast items to cut around. This will be our reference. Let's just carefully cut around it. And then pop it off. Ooh, can you see the shape? Let's cut off the top of her bow. But don't worry, we'll be making her a new one. Do you guys remember the bow on top of the jam cap? We're going to be using that as a mold. We're going to take some red Play-Doh. This probably wasn't meant to be a Play-Doh mold, but why not? Let's get creative. Because after all, what's Hello Kitty without her bow? Time to see if it worked. Yes, that looks great. We'll just put it right on her ear. Nice! She still needs some eyes. We can pretend her eyes are made out of dark chocolate chips. Chocolate chips are a great topping for your pancakes. I like my pancakes topped with blueberries. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments what your favorite toppings are. Hello Kitty also needs her whiskers. She is a little cat after all. We just roll up some more black Play-Doh. It's a little tricky because it's so small. Now she needs a little yellow nose. Perfect! And there's our very own Hello Kitty pancake. Here's our waffle, our Pop-Tart, and our toast. It's all making me pretty hungry. Let's go ahead and pack away our treats. We'll just open this box and slide them right in. There's our Pop-Tart, our toast, and our waffle. Our pancake will stay outside so it doesn't get all mushy. And here we have it, all of our breakfast treats. This set was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.